I was probably a little frightened, not sure exactly what was going to happen. As it turned out, it was very good. But, I think anytime you're waiting in a new doctor's office, you become a little nervous. But, like I say, I was probably 40, so I shouldn't have been, but I was. Well, they took me in the back room there and went into the chambers where they tested your hearing. I was kind of awed by that. I did have one previous hearing test. I will not mention that company, but they didn't have anything like that. In fact, they came to my house and we sat at the dining room table, and it was then recommended what I needed, but I didn't go with them. Let's put it that way.